Sorry we're being so annoying in this video. It's just like for fun because it's fun because we just decided, oh look, we found this thing at the store. Let's do a stupid video on it. So we're trying to replicate like the adult YouTubers that do kids videos. So you guys can watch the video now. Please just don't unsubscribe. Mass amounts of cringe.
Hey guys, it's Addie here with my friend Catherine Rollin.
Hello!
Hello, we're doing our fingers. So, I want you to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Down below. And let's get on to the video.
Do it now.
So, this is a video. We're reviewing this candy sushi by Raindrops. This is going to be so much fun. So, I'm probably going to butcher these names on the back. But we have the candy nigari, the candy akura, candy magari, candy umaki, candy California rolls. So, those are it. Got 2 of each. So, could you please like and subscribe? And then this thing will magically appear. And I also need to mention one more thing. If you didn't already know in the intro, see ours here. My friend see ours here.
Hello,
guys! So, in 3, 2, 1, when we say 1, could you like and subscribe to our video? And it makes it so we can open this package easier. 3, 2, 1. Then it's unpackaging the stage 1 part. Part 2. I couldn't lift it up for you guys to show it because it all kind of fell out.
It's time to eat up. Here we have our fish marshmallows. I think that's what they are. Candy niragi. So yeah.
So okay, we're gonna try these.
Okay, I'm like so scared these are gonna taste bad. So that's what it looks like.
Yeah, just get good focus on that. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's hard to bite off. That's hard. That's hard to bite off, kids. The fish is really hard to bite off,
but it's very good.
They're very good. By the way, the top smells like sweets.
Yeah. I don't know if you can smell it, but it smells.
Get smell-o-vision TV.
Yep, so good.
And now we're gonna try these things. Do you want red or brown?
I'm red.
Okay. You get red, I'll get brown.
So these are
these
are the
California rolls.
Yep, that's what they look like.
Yum. Mine is brown. 3, 2, 1.
That's so good.
That's good. Now, we're gonna try this because there's only one.
You want the gummy bear or the ring?
Do you want the ring?
Sure.
You have the ring.
So I have the ring.
I have the gummy bear. 3,
2, 1.
Oh, this gummy bear is hard. It's like hard. A hard gummy bear.
Very good.
That gummy bear is hard. Okay, I need to chew this up.
Yeah. This is very good so far, guys. Like this video if you think this will be very good.
Yeah. So now we're gonna try the sauces. Which sauce do you want?
Oh, I'm like so scared. These are gonna taste bad.
So do you want the sauce with like the soy sauce or the sauce?
The sauce.
So I have the soy sauce thingy. Show them your sauce.
And I have the like yum stuff. Whatever the sauce is.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it.
Oh, just the lights went out. Okay, so mine, it's kind of like a string. Look at this.
Yeah.
Then mine is just like these kind of little, like these little gummy. Can you see me, camera? These little gummy thingies. I'm not eating all of it.
Mine tastes like Twizzlers. Twizzlers are disgusting.
This tastes like if you guys know like those little fruity snacks.
Snacks.
Yeah, fruit snacks. These are definitely what those taste like.
Here, I'm gonna try one.
We're not being annoying anymore.
Yeah, like before.
Yeah.
Mine tastes like Twizzlers.
Yeah.
Ew.
What's up, kiddos?
I don't like Twizzlers.
Dude. Sorry, Will. Sorry, guys.
It's not a very good fort if I can sneak in like that.
Sorry, guys. That's our dear friend Will.
Our dear
Friend? You call him a friend?
Your feet stink.
Oh, thank you for the compliment, Will. Ow!
You know
Okay.
what? You know what? I don't even like this party. I'm leaving.
Okay, good.
So our last thing is like these gumdrop thingies.
Yeah.
My hands look really fat.
These are the moment you guys been all waiting for.
Oh, I'm like so scared.
Oh, these are good.
I
Right into it is good. There we go.
don't like it.
They're good.
You can have mine.
Why don't you like them? Put it down.
I do not like those guys. I do not. Bye bye.
Good.
Bye bye. I do not like those. Like, comment, and subscribe down below.
We're back to our annoying selves, by the way.
Oh, and by the way, this video is not sponsored by Raindrops.
It's definitely not. Okay, people. We're back to our annoying selves, by the way. Bye.